This website will change your life forever in Kenya if you have a phone or a PC and a good internet. I have been wondering how young people make money online, and I couldn't rest until I learned everything. Being a college student made me find ways to earn extra cash, but I didn't know it would turn out to be a great opportunity for me. For about 2 years now, I have learned tons of ways to make money from home. I must however warn you, people have lost thousands of money online by clicking fake links that lead to scamming websites. You must therefore stick to the rules of the game by simply using verified websites. In this video, I'll show you how I started working and earning online using my phone. Let's get started. We're going to major on one website for now. This is the most popular and you don't need any experience to do the jobs. You probably have heard of this before. Fiverr. So Fiverr is a global online marketplace for freelance services. Fiverr's platform connects freelancers who are sellers to people or businesses who are looking to hire buyers. Since you want to make money, you are going to be a seller in this case. In order to earn, you must have an account with Fiverr. This is how to go about it step by step. Step 1. Join. Go to Fiverr homepage and click join. Step 2. Email address. Put in valid email address and click continue. Or you can also sign up through your Facebook or Google Connect accounts, but it's not preferable. Step 3. Username. Choose a valid username. Set up your strong password and click join. Your username is 15 characters long and can't contain special characters. Once a username is selected, it can only be changed once you delete your existing profile. So choose a wise username. Prefer using your real name as Fiverr username. If unavailable, suggest using one that best describes your niche. For example, if you want to sell graphic services, use username like graphic creations or graphic ideas. Step 4. Activate your account. Now you are a registered Fiverr user. Fiverr sends you a confirmation email at your provided email address. Click activate your account and you are all done with the Fiverr sign up. This confirmation email will be valid for 30 days. If you sign up after 30 days, click resend and you will get another email active for verification for the next 30 days. So you have an account. Congratulations. Time to set up your account. Fill it with personal and professional information. Your profile is initially set to buyer, but you can change it to seller profile. Create a complete and professional profile to showcase your skills and services. To go about it, we start with step 1. Go to the homepage once the account has been activated. Select my settings by clicking on your profile picture in the upper right corner. Step 2. Clicking the Become a Seller option in the top right menu will bring you to the Sellers page. Then, in the middle, click the Become a Seller button. Step 3. They will show you the basic criteria for Fiverr in the next 2 slides for a better understanding. So read carefully and keep hitting continue. You have completed the first part of the profile setup after completing these steps. Steps to create a seller profile. Step 1. Personal information. To fill your personal information, fill in your full name. To legally begin selling services on Fiverr, enter your original name. Your profile keeps it secret. Select an image from your computer to use as your profile picture. Put your original image here. Never utilize photographs for which you do not own the rights. Everyone can see your profile photo on Fiverr. Step 2. Create a compelling and eye-catching description of your experience and the services you provide on Fiverr. You have a maximum of 600 characters, including letters, spaces, and punctuations. Writing a solid description is critical for your profile, so don't skip this step. Then include your language skills and proficiency in the language. Number 2. Professional information. Step 1. Choose your professional occupation from the drop-down menu, then your time period. Next, choose the Fiverr categories for the services you wish to sell. Step 2. Include your education and expertise. It makes no difference if your degree has nothing to do with the services you provide on Fiverr. It's a good idea to let people know you have the degree. Step 3. Include your certificates and a link to your own website. You can leave these areas blank if you don't have any certificates or personal website. After entering all the necessary information, click the continue button. 3. Linked accounts. By clicking the connect icon next to the social media accounts, you may connect to your Google, Facebook, and Twitter accounts. After you have linked the accounts, click continue. 4. Account security. Add your email address and phone number to secure your account. Then press the finish button. It will create your Fiverr professional seller profile, and now you are ready to start working and earning. In our preceding videos, we are going to explain how you can work and withdraw money from your Fiverr account. See you soon.